So begin round 3 by making a chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next double crochet and single crochet on the next double crochet stitch. Then chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip the next chain 2 space and single crochet on the next double crochet stitch. Chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip the next double crochet and single crochet on the next double crochet stitch. And so repeat what we've done here, which is chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next chain 2 space and single crochet on the next double crochet stitch. So repeat that all around. So we're at the end of the round, making the last chain 5 loops. So chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch on top of the slip stitch. So that's the end of round 3. So round 4 is the same. We will do loops all around. So to begin the round, we slip stitch, one, 2, and begin the round by making a chain, making chain 5 again to make chain 5 loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next loop, or space. Loop and space, I use them interchangeably. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next space or loop, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next space or loop, and that's how it looks like. And keep repeating chain 5 single crochet on the next loop all around. So we're now making the last chain 5 loop. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch on the top of the slip stitch, okay. So that's how round 4 ends. So next round, round 5, we slip stitch onto the next chain 5 space. So that's 1, 2. So we slip stitch on the next 2 stitches, and then single crochet into the chain 5 space. That gets us in the middle of the chain 5 loop. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and triple crochet on the next chain 5 loop. We are going to make a shell on this loop here, so that's 2, because we're making a shell of 3 triple crochet on each side of the shell. So that's chain 3, 2, 3, and triple crochet on the other side to make the other side of the shell. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 5 loop. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next chain 5 loop, and repeat once more, chain 5, single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and triple crochet on the next chain. Let's see, next chain 5 loop. So this, we are turning the circle into a square now. The shell makes a square corner, makes a corner. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 5 loop. Let's check the work. So as you can see, the circle is already beginning to look like a square on this side anyway. It's already squared, so we repeat the same, we're already here, so we'll repeat chain 5 loop twice. So repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next chain 5 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next chain 5 space, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and triple crochet on the next chain 5 loop like we did here. So we're repeating this. One, 2, 3, and finish the shell by making 3 triple crochet on the other side after the chain 3 on the middle of the shell. So that's 1, 2 more, 2, 3. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space, tighten the stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next chain 5 space. We will make this is chain 5 single crochet twice, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next stitch. I'm sorry for the puppy again, and she's barking because somebody is pulled up in our driveway. To end round 5, we slip stitch on the single crochet or a slip stitch that we made on the beginning, before the beginning chain 3.